Hi Filmator. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring how to adjust the time function of keyframes in the Filma app and see how different time functions can create unique animations. We'll be working with an animated transparent GIF of a ball as an overlay for a visual example, and our main animation will consist of a vertical translation of the ball from the top to the bottom. First, let's move our ball to the starting point and apply the property. Head to the Layers drawer to locate the property and expand the keyframe drawer. Move a bit ahead in time and use the slider to position the ball at the end point of our animation. Now we have a simple animation of the ball moving from the top to the bottom. But what if we want a more natural transition? That's where time functions come in. Tap on the second keyframe, the one where the ball is at the bottom, and then tap on the time function button, located on the left-hand side of the keyframe drawer. A menu with various options will appear for you to choose from. Quickly, let's understand what ease in and ease out mean. Ease in refers to animations that start slowly, while ease out refers to animations that slow down at the end. If a time function has both in and out, it means the animation will be slower at the beginning and the end. Let's try cubic in first. Notice how the ball starts animating slowly and then accelerates at the end. If we switch to cubic out, the animation begins faster and then slows down at the end. Now, let's test cubic in /out. The animation is slow at both the beginning and the end. To simulate a ball falling naturally due to gravity and eventually stopping or slowing down when hitting the ground, we should try exponential out. It looks better, but we're not quite there yet. For a more realistic falling effect, we need some bounciness. That's when the bounce out function will come in handy. Select bounce out and watch the magic happen. Now we have a ball falling due to gravity and colliding with the ground. We transformed a simple linear animation with keyframes into something smooth and natural. Imagine the possibilities with keyframes in Filma, which can be applied to not only transformation adjustments, but also various properties and effects. See you in the next video, and happy editing.